Hi, welcome back to my channel. Please do subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a good thumbs up. So, getting into this video, I randomly just started off from a painting that I've done, and that's because I had lost footage to the beginning of this video. So I had to salvage what I could find and show you guys the process of what I thought was a pretty cool painting and what I enjoyed the most about it. For this painting, I was excited to use the reds and the blues as the color theory for the overall look and feel, but the base colors and the tints and the shades really made his form pop out a little bit more in his profile, and I really loved the fact that I could achieve this. It doesn't seem easy to think about when you're just looking at it, but when you're in the moment, it kind of makes sense because you start working off of the base colors, which are the blues and the reds. And then to work on the shadows, I used the darker colors, which are the shades. And then for the lighter colors, I've used tints. And then for the extra gloss that you see on his skin is the white to make this overall painting pop even more. So my guy's hair is very big and it was very troublesome to get to have it as kinky and fluffy as you can see it. This brush that I was looking for had to be the correct brush because I mean it created a lot of depth and he looks absolutely glorious with his mane. And the background had to be dark. It had to be beautiful and dark in blue to make it even more moody.
It's in the process, wait to withdraw it. Back on the path, doing the dash, seeing some progress. We haven't talked yet, but we in the process. Time moving fast, never relax, we in the process. Yeah, I'm trying to go back, using my mind to make sense of it, yeah. So when I recap, them dollars coming from these sentences, yeah. Time moving fast, it almost went by me, it's way too early to get comfortable, yeah. Chasing the bag, all of my dreams and hard work come inside and it's wonderful, yeah. She understand what we had struggled for, that be the reasons I love them all, yeah. She ain't like anyone ever, no, one of a kind, it's incredible, yeah. Baby don't want, but I gotta go, should've been back a long time ago, yeah. Send me and see you my rider, so anywhere you'll go, I'll go. Why life gotta be so crazy? Keep calm through the chaos, what made me? Ask God for his help, come save me, save me, save me. Tryna shine, but they want a dollar, nigga colorblind, but they never seen equal compromise. They keep killing color, people traumatized, have a lot of mental sequels. They advise us to suck it up and be a civil tribe while they toting desert eagles. I'm alive, cause my music. She wanna pause it, I wanna stop it. Moving too fast, look what we had, now we done lost it. We got exhausted, time got a nose kick. We finna crash, go for the bags, make it a deposit. It's in the process, wait to withdraw it. Back on the path, doing the dash, seeing some progress. We haven't talked yet, but we in the process. Time moving fast, never relax, we in the process. Yeah, we need some change, we in the process. Releasing the pain, I'm in the process. She wanna rain, we in the process. Time don't be stopping for nothing, don't wanna rush it. She wanna pause it, I wanna stop it. Moving too fast, look what we had, now we done lost it. We got exhausted, time got a nose kick. We finna crash, go for the bags, make it a deposit. It's in the process, wait to withdraw it. Back on the path, doing the dash, seeing some progress. We haven't talked yet, but we in the process. Time moving fast, never relax, we in the process. Yeah.
You already know what's good.
Really enjoyed creating this painting, and I hope you did too. Um, just let me know what you think I would have done. I think personally I could have added a little bit more of highlights into his Afro kinky hair, but maybe later on I will probably add on the highlights as per the color is on the red side and the blue All right, we've reached towards the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please do give this video a thumbs up and take care. I'll see you again next time around.